Just a little bit of shopping. Just a little bit of shopping. Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella. And I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And this super adorable bell. Look how cute that bell is. Hit on that bell so you never miss a video. Hi guys, happy Monday. I know you're probably thinking, Bella, didn't you say you were not going to shop? Oh, okay. I know. In my defense, this is Dollar Tree and Dollar Store. But wait till you see what I found because you're going to be floored. I was floored. And the only reason why I went shopping on the weekend to the Dollar Tree and Dollar Store is because the Canadian Dollar Store has the best Crest whitening toothpaste and the garbage bags that I always buy for my kitchen, and this one cleaning product, which I'm going to show you today because I'm obsessed with this cleaning product. Obsessed, okay? So let's get into it. I stopped at Dollar Tree because I wanted to find something for my two-tiered tray. I'm having a hard time, and I lost all my Valentine's Day decor. The whole box. Angela and I ransacked the basement on Friday. Still can't find it. We have another area that it may be in, but those are boxes for our permanent home. So I don't know why they would be in there. Anyways, let me not talk and show you what I got. Because some of this stuff is really cute. And if you have a Dollar Tree, it's only $1. Look how adorable this is. It's perfect for a two-tiered tray. It's like a little shadow box. It says, God goals grind. I love it. Perfect for our Monday, right? Isn't this a nice quote for Monday? Because, I love Mondays. I love Mondays. And then I got this one. So adorable. Happiness is homemade. How cute is this? $1. Perfect for the two-tiered tray, then right? I got this adorable little sign. It says, let today be the start of something new. I think this is really good for Dollar Tree. What do you guys think? Is it good or what, right? Totally cute for Dollar Tree. So, got that. And then this is so random, but I got this. You guys are going to have to tell me if you've ever bought this. Does it work? I lost this thing, the silver one, or the stainless steel one for my kitchen sink. Tell me how we lose that. I bet you we threw it in the garbage. Anyway, so I bought this. Hopefully it does the trick. I'll let you guys know in Instagram if it works or not. But it was only $1 and I figured, okay. And then I got this adorable little candle. It's cute, right? It's so cute. And sorry for my nails. I haven't painted them. It's cute. I don't know. It says white mocha. Yeah. I just liked that it was pink. And it's going to look cute for Valentine's decor. Because I'm telling you, after Friday, me and Angela, we can't understand where we put anything. So, okay, I'm segueing into what is really going on. I bought a bunch of these. I think I bought 4 or 5 of them. I love these from the Dollar Tree. For $1, you cannot go wrong with these, especially now. Coming forward, I'm going to make a ton of floral arrangements. So I need tons of these. Okay, and a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Not bad for $1 at the dollar store. Okay, here it goes. These are new florals. Some of them are new to me. Look how many I got. Okay, I'll show you what I got because I think these are going to look really good come spring. I know these are not new. I know a lot of people have gotten these. They're so cute and so well made for Dollar Tree. For $1, amazing. And then they had these ones that are along the line of those. I love these. I didn't get any of these last year because they didn't have them in my Dollar Tree. And when I saw them this year, there was only just a few, so I got them. But these are new to me, and I've never seen these before. They came in 3 or 4 different colors. Look, I'll show you them close up. They're tiny little roses with this really nice, dusty, almost fern leaf. And when I saw them at the store, I thought, okay, this to me screams spring is on its way, or spring. So I got a really good idea for an arrangement. So I'll do that with you guys. And then I got a bunch of them, and then I got some of these. Not bad, right? These are really good for Dollar Tree. I think these are really, really good for Dollar Tree. So I got a few of those also. I got 4 of those, 4 of the little roses, and that's it for Dollar Tree. So that's all I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, and now I'm going to show you what I got from Dollarama, and I will show you my absolute favorite cleaning product. Like, love this cleaning product. I'm going to show you my app. I'm crinkling because I have a bag right here in front of me. And this is what the store looks like. It's called Dollarama. It's here in Canada. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that I love this place. I mean, I have a love and hate relationship with it because nothing is $1. Nothing. And, but they have florals. Oh my God. Wait to see what I got. You're going to die. This is my favorite cleaning product. I'm not kidding about this. This thing is amazing. I'm going to look and see if I can find it like on Target.com or something like that, or Walmart.com. It's by the Lysol brand, and it actually foams up. It is amazing for kitchens and bathrooms. This one says bathroom, but I use this also to clean my kitchen sink, and it does all the work for you. You never have to scrub. You just spray it on, leave it for a minute or two, rinse it off, and your sink looks literally brand new. Now, it is not $1. Like I said, my dollar store is never $1. I think it runs $3.50 at my dollar store, but it's well worth it, and I love it. Okay, God, I'm gonna make this video long. I really didn't think we were gonna make this. These are the kitchen bags that I buy if anybody's interested. They're from the dollar store. They're called Hercules. They're really good. I think they're, what, $1? Oh, they're $4. Huh. Okay. I didn't know that they were that expensive. I'm gonna look around. Maybe I can find something better. Okay, let me put this away. Okay, this little kitchen sign, they had a bunch of them at the dollar store. It was only $1.50, so I said, okay, I'm gonna get it. It is pressed wood, you know, like that fake wood. But it's cute, and it'll look cute on my 2-tiered tray because I'm trying to find little things for my 2-tiered tray that are inexpensive. Okay, let's get to the fun stuff because you're never gonna believe what I found. And yeah. Okay, I found a bunch of these. Look how cute these are. I got a bunch of these. Oh, there's my receipt. Sorry about that. Look how cute these are. The kind of neutral. They're really nice, and they're really nicely made. I got 4 of this color and 2 of them in white. And I want to make, you'll see, I'm going to make it for Valentine's Day, but I wanted it neutral. And then I found this thing. Oh, the price of that, by the way, was only $1.50. I hope you can see it. Yeah, so not bad for $1.50. And this little tiny wreath, which I have a really great idea for it, was $3. And wait till you see what I do with this, just to add like a Valentine feel to my house. And I want to keep it neutral. Okay, let's get to the good stuff because this is amazing. Okay, I don't even know where to start. That's how much stuff I have. Before we get into the greenery, because I know you guys love greenery as much as I do, I'm just going to show you the last few things I bought for Valentine's Day. And again, I'm on a mission to find that box. I cannot believe we lost it. I just got 2 of these little ribbons. I didn't really look in Dollar Tree for these, so I kind of picked them up over there. Same price, they're only $1, and they're cute, like grosgrain ribbon. Then I got some paper straws red paper straws with silver hearts on them, and they were only $1.25, so that's really good. And then I got these. I had gotten these a few years ago. They're adorable. It's The cupcake liners. Is there the liners in here? Oh, no, it's not the liners. Oh, wow. I thought they used to come. Okay, they used to come with the liners. And again, we make things cheaper. Okay, they come with the little straws and the little tags. I guess to decorate your cupcakes. On Valentine's Day or any day, me and Angela love to have cupcakes. So I'll probably make some cupcakes. You'll see it on Instagram. Or maybe during a kitchen tour or something. And then I got this adorable little bowl, and I thought this was a really good deal because it's really nice. And I think I'm gonna just fill it with candy and put it on my 2-tiered tray. And it was only $1.50. It is melamine, so it's not that bad. And then I thought this was a really good deal for Valentine's Day because I just don't want to spend, insane amounts of money. I think these were left over from last year because it says 2 for $1. Little pots with little roses. I mean, they look pretty sad. I'm gonna fix them up a little bit and fluff them up and maybe chalk paint these. I don't know. I'm gonna make them look cute. But they were 2 for $1, and it says under here they were originally $1.25. So not bad. Okay, that is it for Valentine's Day. Yeah, let's get to the good stuff. Oh my God, guys. I'm obsessed with ferns. I don't know what's gotten over me, but I really want to make something. And hopefully I will make it and I will film it because I have a great idea. I have a great idea how to take this stuff and make something really, really high end. And if you've been with me for a while, that is kind of like the thing I love to do is get these greeneries and just go nuts and make something like super high end looking, like dupe it. So I got a bunch of these kinds of ferns and everything was $1.25. Everything that I'm showing you in my hand was $1.25. And look how big the stem is, right? Like half my body. Yeah, pretty much. So an amazing deal, an amazing deal. And I got 4 of everything. I know that seems excessive, but trust me, when you're looking for this stuff, it's really, really hard to find. So when you find it, you grab it because you can always move this stuff around, switch it around. So I got 4 of those and 4 of this, like the regular looking fern. Love that. And then, hold on, let me put these away. Yeah. Did I get the right one? And then I got these. Yeah. Hold on, I might have got more than 4. Yeah, I got more than 4 here. I think I got 6 because this is what I have an idea for this. You'll see. Look how nice these are. This is 1 stem. Not bad, right? Very realistic for a dollar store. Very. Hobby Lobby, I'm telling you. If Hobby Lobby had single stems of fern, this is what they would look like. I'm floored. And I did see something like this at Michael's. They had maybe 1.5 of it on 1 stem and they wanted $6.99 and I was like, no, Michael's, that's like way too much money. Okay, these next 2 things are just here on the table and I thought they were so cute. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Look how cute these are. So cute, right? They were $2.50, little glass jars filled with little rocks and some, what are these called again? What are these called? What are these called? I don't know what they're called. Oh my God. Guys, tell me what these are called. Why do I have a brain freeze? Anyways, you know what? Succulents. That's it. Succulents. Hello, Life with Bella. Okay, let me get the big bag. Guys, look how big this bag is. And you're probably thinking to yourself, she's nuts. I'm rummaging. But wait till you see, because this is well worth it. I'm telling you, I guarantee I saved over $150. Because if I had to buy this at like a TJ Maxx or a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's, do you really think that I would have paid $4 for this? No, ma'am. It would have been $6.99, $8.99, $10.99. I've seen these upwards, and this is the dusty one. It's so pretty. Terracotta pot, totally whitewashed. Look, it even has little feet. So well made, $4. And I got a bunch of these. Like, I think I got 3 of this one. Let me show you the other one. Then I got this kind, and it's totally different. You see it? Totally different. This is more like a boxwood, but I love it. Look how good that is. $4. You cannot go wrong with $4. I'm telling you. Okay. And then I got this kind also. This is very green, very fresh. Same thing. Terracotta pot. Perfect. I thought it was fantastic. Okay, let me move some stuff around and show you the rest of the stuff. Guys, I know my video is getting long, but I'm telling you, for my Canadian girls, these little picks here are the exact Hobby Lobby picks. But ours in Canada, I mean, the one good thing we have is $2. $2 a pick. I hoarded these last year. I mean, crazy. Seriously. I got so many of them. I cut them up. I played with them. I put them everywhere. They were an amazing addition. This year I got 4 of them because I didn't need that many. So I got 4 of this kind. And I got 2 of this kind. And I have tons downstairs, so I really didn't need that much. But for $2, I mean, $2, come on, $2. Like, you can't go wrong. Anyways, we are almost at the end of the video because I don't want to keep you guys too long. I know it's Monday and everybody's got a million things to do. And you know, I'm not really supposed to be playing. I'm supposed to be working today, but that's okay. So I got 2 garlands like this. I mean, amazing, right? Totally Hobby Lobby. What do you guys think? Tell me down in the comment section. Does this not look like the Hobby Lobby garland? Like 100%. $2.50 a garland, right? I couldn't leave it in the store. Okay, I am so excited for the next few videos I have in my head. I'm going to try and piece them together because I want to start doing some arrangements and some greenery, like dupes and stuff like that, because I have the best idea for one. I'm telling you, I have the best idea. Okay, so that is the end of my video. Have an amazing week ahead. Have an amazing Monday. Thank you for sharing, spending some time with me. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. It truly does mean the world to me. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you really soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. See ya Wednesday. Bye, guys.